Hello everyone, welcome back to the Cake Doctor. So Christmas is approaching and obviously you're thinking about gift ideas. Now I'm going to release a few videos to help you with gift ideas for different types of people with different interests. So this video is 7 gift ideas for your baking freak friend. So there are 7 gift ideas that suit different budgets that are solely focused on your baking freak friend. So if you have a friend who does not miss a bake-off, who's obsessed with baking, with bakeware or cakes, then this is the video to watch. Now another thing to say that if you stay till the end, there will be a giveaway. So I'm picking one of these 7 items to give you for free if you watch till the end. So first is this Taylor dual platform electronic scales from Lakeland. As you can see, nice and shiny, and it looks different because with this scales you can weigh 2 different things at the same time, which helps streamline your baking as you're rushing around the kitchen trying to get all the cake work done in time for Christmas. This can help you with its dual display, showing you the way of 2 different things at the same time. It's a cool gadget. These are the product information. It's powered by AAA batteries. It's got a manufacturer's guarantee of 20 years, so good safe product. And with its features, it's good for your gadget freak as well as your baking freak friend. Next is one of my trusty cake stands. This one is from H&M Home, made from cool mango wood. It's about £18, so not very expensive, very good quality and really cool looking, so it's good for your Instagram photos of your brilliant Christmas cakes. Next is this decorating icing nozzle set for your friend who's so much into Russian piping or wants to get into Russian piping. It's a good set with 26 nozzles, as well as some cool accessories which I'll talk about in the end. It's got a 3-year guarantee from Lakeland. It comes in a nice box. It's got a couple of piping banks with it, as well as these cool 2 things that you can see in the middle there, a brush and a cleaning thing. Now I used to get really upset by not being able to clean the end of the piping nozzles and with buttercream getting stuck in there, so these things can make your life really easy. Next is this rechargeable airbrush set with some airbrush colours. Now I've always seen this and I've always been intrigued by it. Some people do use it, some people use templates and other things to decorate their cakes with an airbrush. I was recently asked by a friend about recommendations for an airbrush, so I looked at this. It seems to be decent quality. It's rechargeable with a USB cable. It's got some colours with it. If you didn't want to buy the colours, you can get the same set from Lakeland for about £79. It's got 3-year guarantee from Lakeland, and it seems like a good start for your kind of semi-advanced baking friend. Now let's not forget about children, so your little ones that are into baking or you want to get into baking, this is a very, very good set. It's a baking gift set for children from Lakeland. It's got multiple things in it, including molds, cutters, measures, stuff like rolling pin, brush, whisk, spatulas. It's got lots and lots and lots of things. Nice and colourful. A really, really good present idea for your little ones. It will get them really exciting and it will get them baking with you on Christmas, so that's really cool. Now, as you can see, these are some cutters, some measures, some molds. It's got 3-year guarantee from Lakeland. It's at a really, really competitive price, about £30. So check that one out if you've got little ones. Now prepare to be bamboozled because this blew my mind away. So it looks like something from Lord of the Rings, like a crown of one of the dwarves or something. But this actually is a cake mold. This is a Nordic ware, apparently something that's well known. Silver pine forest bundt tin. So it's a tin you put your cake in, or you make your cake in, and it looks like this. Now this made my heart race, and I'm sure it will make your baking friend heart race as well. If you can't get them excited by this, what else can you? So it's a cool tin. It's about 50 quid. I know it's pricey for a tin, but you know, imagine being able to bake something like that for Christmas. Your friend will really appreciate it. And there's other similar molds. There's one that looks like a gingerbread house. So this one is out there, and this one is going to be the giveaway for this video. Just watch till the end to find out how to get it. Prepare yourself. Drum roll, please. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. It's my Sage mixer. Now this is one of my valued baking possessions. It's a mixer that I searched and searched and searched for. You can get it from multiple places. I think you used to be able to get it on Lakeland, but I've put an Amazon link down in the description for how to get it. Now this is on the pricey side, so I understand this is not for everyone, but if you can afford it, if it's a close family member, if it's your other half, you know, are looking for a mixer, are quite keen bakers, that's a really good gift idea. So this comes with 2 mixing bowls that you can lock in position so they don't move anywhere. One is a glass transparent one with all the measurements on top. It's got a cover for these bowls, so when you drop your icing sugar like I do, you don't create an icing sugar storm. It comes with multiple attachments. You've got this attachment, you've got a similar one without the rubber spatula. You've obviously got a classical standard whisk, and watch for the next one because it's got a bread kneading attachment. So what else can you ask for? There is more actually. So if you watch, as you turn it on, the light comes on, so it shows you what you're baking. There is a timer that comes on, and then there is that scale that shows you the power that you need for each different type of baking. So for buttering, for mixing, for bread kneading, all that sort of thing. And it shows you with an indicator. That timer goes on as you bake, so it shows you how long you've been baking. Thanks for watching till the very end. As promised, I'll tell you how to stand a chance to get the Nordic tin for free, which is worth about 55 quid. To get that, subscribe and add a comment to this video, which includes your Instagram handle. Over the next week, I will randomly pick the winner, and I'll get in touch with them to send them the tin. Thanks again, and see you in the next one.